I was on the Twitter last week, scrolling through the feed, y'all niggas kept me last week.
I need my frame.
Therefore, y'all was in there last week. I used to suffocate cause y'all
Acam, previously in New York City.
Benjamin Franklin's field, floated just for the thrill. Go numb until I can't feel. All might pop this pill.
Hi again, welcome back. Waking up today in Brooklyn, New York City. It's a gloomy one, but we're gonna make the most of the day. Starting off with a coffee run. We've got Cam, Monty, Richie, and Becky, of course. We're in Bushwick, so Bad Bagel is our go-to.
We caught the same train and took it back to the same place. You're back where you started, it's the same thing. We keep trying to do something different over and over again. Something has to change.
Holy shit, last night, or yesterday.
I know it may not seem like it, but this really is us making the most of the rest of the day. It's gloomy outside, we thought might as well lock in and get a bunch of work done. We're all creatives, we have a lot of editing to do, so it's just us and DaVinci Resolve for the rest of the day.
Yeah, did you hear the music?
Yeah.
That was me.
So
I wasn't trying to be distracting.
Yeah, it's okay. I was recording a voiceover.
Were you really?
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me?
So I didn't know it was you.
know. You ordered, do you have to redo it?
No.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It wasn't actually, like, when I was in my room, it wasn't loud.
Do you have something that's like...
What do we think of this? I don't know if it's... There's too many lights. These ones are too much. Maybe. Okay.
It makes it much easier when we show us doing this.
Yeah, you're so correct. B-cam. A-cam.
Who the fuck I feel like Joker. Harley Quinn up in the cut.
Who is that?
I shake it,
Who is that?
day in October.
No way Jack Antonoff is on
If
this.
they talking about playing ball, they could take it up with Jordan. It's ball heads in the heckler for all endorsements.
Mighty mom trying to tag a nigga talk. I'm aggressive on the beat and real life. Niggas know. Hey, I tatted up my
Welcome.
I don't feel welcome.
Coldplay dropped a single too.
Oh my goodness.
Everyone's just releasing.
Is it just a single?
Kendrick
Or a whole
Lamar
album?
released a whole album
Yeah, I know
2
that's what
hours
Richie
ago.
was saying, bro. Well, let me hear it.
Let me in.
Let me hear your favorite so far.
The one that we just heard.
That was your favorite?
I don't know, they're all so
I'm
good.
listening to Coldplay real quick.
They don't take it as a choice, but you gotta know that today's the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. And I ain't gonna let it slip away. Nah. I'm gonna be
Like even earlier.
It's a habit.
To no one.
It's been a minute since you've
You're
done
You're funny, man. I like you.
It's another day, and I think you can guess where we're headed. Back to Bad Bagel. But not before a quick stop off in the cafe for a matcha, of course.
Hot, I'm sweating now.
Yeah, I wonder why.
It's on the outside 1/3. But you know, it's like, it's very good. That doesn't make your vlog, I'm pissed. I'm upset. If you guys don't see that, I'm pissed.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know you were filming. That makes so much sense. The pizza place next door looks incredible.
You guys know me. A perfect day is never complete without some thrifting. And I fear New York City is the best place to do it. We're checking out L Train Vintage today. It's one of my faves. Let's see what we can find.
You come from here, I come from there. You rock out in the room, I rock a world premiere. We're more alike than anyone.
I don't know if you can hear me very well, but we're in L Train Vintage near our house, and I'm finding so many excellent pieces. To be like, oh, I got another match. We ended up deciding to go into Manhattan and just walked around the city for a bit, but I'll be honest, I'm looking forward to getting back home and just having a chill night at the house.
It was like before, it was so weird. Actually, this is gonna get heavy over here. What's the next song?
Continue the 1975. You should play Menswear. Have you heard Menswear?
By them?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna do another one by Half Alive that I think you'll like.
You what?
Half Alive, that band that I showed you. There's another one by them. First one I heard by them.
Cool.
That's really good with them.
We should probably add these in the sync, right?
Who's those?
They are. They were with our stuff.
Oh, those drinks.
No, me too.
You need the water to be boiled.
Yeah, the water's already boiled.
It's boiling?
Under your room.
Yeah. Doesn't look boiled to me, man.
Kara, play me something on the drums. The snares to everywhere, yeah, cause you make loving fun. I loaded flowers in a gun.
Remember earlier when I said I was looking forward to having a chill night at the house? Well, we took that a bit too literally and spent the whole night up listening to music. We ended up planning a full music video shoot, so check that out on Monty's channel, and I posted a full behind the scenes from this night online.
Just let it all out. Shit.
Okay, so
She was like,
wait.
we have nothing. I don't know if you understand that we have nothing but the outro, which is one
We
shot.
have plenty.
Where are we standing?
Start it again. We've gone the whole video in our own worlds.
Oh yeah.
And it's building up to where the audience thinks, okay, yeah, they're gonna meet at some point. I leave my frame and enter yours. Like the way we found the wallet, right? You could have like left something in the coffee shop, and then I sit down in the same seat in a different frame at some different point in the video. You know?
Just like little hints.
Just tiny hints where it's like, wait, was that this?
Write this down.
I love that.
Wait, and that'll be like me like slowly handheld walking back from you. It's like the back of your head, and it morphs into one frame, and then I walk in frame. 6:30 in the morning. We didn't wake up for it. We stayed up for it.
We've been slipping into a routine more and more here. This is Sunday, and whilst we did spend most of the day at home working, we stepped up for a bit to explore Brooklyn.
Every morning starts pretty much the same here, and I'm not mad about it. I love a good routine sometimes. So, an iced oat matcha at our local cafe. We've got our laptops with us today because we're planning an exciting event for creators on creators. Looks like we'll be heading to the West Coast very soon.
Don't mind you asking where I live. Barely even know your friends. Messing with my head again. Break my heart into good taste. Making rules so you can bend. Messing with my head again. When I'm around you, I can barely breathe. I can barely. When I'm around you, I can barely breathe. I can barely.
The weather's finally starting to clear up in the city, so we're taking the opportunity and heading into Manhattan. I have mixed feelings about thrifting in Manhattan, but I can't resist the vintage twin. And I've said it before, but you guys know me. Gallivanting, one of my favorite things to do. And New York City, best place to do it. I know I want to go to the Met today because I've been here for a month and I still haven't been on this trip. But not before some bagels in Washington Square Park, of course. He has one there. He used it when we were in London. And
Nice.
yeah, I like that.
Right? Honestly, I'm not like, if you wanna just like 5-10 grand.
You shouldn't have to make it hard for yourself.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Where's my bacon?
Oh, it's there, it's at the bottom.
Okay, good. Like periods of time where it's like filming a bunch, living life, consuming and experiencing, and then the period to just be like, let me just edit a bunch now.
Yeah.
Like yeah. I don't think I do as well having not necessarily a balance, but doing both at the same time.
Yeah, no.
I feel like I can't film to a super high standard or edit to a super high standard when I'm focusing on both in the same moment.
Yeah.
So I think it's fine.
Yeah. I think as long as I was posting daily for 25 days in October, I was like, bro.
Little bro.
It's a lot.
That's
like,
what
daily
I'm
posting is not easy.
Which reminds me, I skipped yesterday because I was like, you know what, I'm actually just gonna enjoy one day living life.
I was talking to the money man last week. Think the window pants all black last week. Paralyzed, but the money still get up for me. They not religious, but they still go. Thank God for me. I wasn't just contemplating robbing niggas for some formula. My baby need her vitamins.
Guys, I think Linda Street might be better than Prince Street in my ranking. Anyway, ending the day and this video by going to the cinema to watch Wicked. I hope you enjoyed being a fly on the wall these last couple of days. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so we can see each other again. Okay, I'm gonna go now, but I'll see you next time. So bye.